Today, we're taken to the skies with one of the most exciting, budget-friendly quadcopters of this year, the F198 Drone. A foldable, lightweight, dual-camera drone designed for beginners, travelers, and aerial creators who want smooth footage without breaking the bank. The F198 packs surprising power for its size. At the heart of this drone sits a 1503 brushless motor, giving you smoother rotations, more stability, and a quieter flight experience. And even though it weighs only 130 grams, it still brings the features you'd expect from a higher-end model. Up front, you get a 1080p HD dual camera system with a manual 90-degree adjustable lens plus a wide-angle FPV feed streamed via Wi-Fi straight to your phone. Whether you're capturing landscapes, top-down shots, or vertical-style videos for reels, the F198 gives you full-angle flexibility with its multi-view APP support. In the air, the F198 offers a full suite of intelligent flight functions. You'll get Optical Flow Positioning for smoother hovering, Smart Follow Mode, Trajectory Flight, 360-degree rolls, gesture controls, fast slow-speed modes, and classic essentials like one-key takeoff, one-key landing, and headless mode, making it perfect for beginners learning to fly. Powering it all is a 3.7-volt 1800 mAh battery, giving you up to 15 minutes of flight time with about 60 minutes of USB charging. The controller supports a 5.5-inch phone mount, and with a 2.4 GHz 4-channel range, you can expect up to 100 meters of control distance and 30 meters of FPV transmission in optimal conditions. And with its compact folded size of 13 by 7.5 by 5.7 centimeters, the F198 slips easily into any backpack. And yes, it even comes with its own storage bag. So if you're looking for a lightweight, travel-ready drone with dual cameras, smart features, and a super affordable price, the F198 drone might just be your next flying companion. Let's take it for a test flight and see what this little quadcopter can really do.